राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः। शिवानन्दलहर्याः कक्ष्यायां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। अद्य वयम् 80तमः श्लोकं पठिष्यामः. We will be learning the 80th verse today. Like you all know, we had stopped at 79. So once we learn 80, the chanting and the meaning, we will proceed to the revision today as per usual. So 71 to 80, I will chant and then you all can chant individually. Please raise your hands and I will call up the names in the order in which they are displayed on my screen. Astu, prarambham karishyamah. Sarve guruvandanam vadantu. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम् सौन्दर्यलहरी कर्त्रे सर्वमङ्गलदायिने शङ्कराचार्यवर्याय यतिराजाय ते नमः। शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमबुद्ध्यया किङ्करीयस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये प्रह्लादवरदो देवो यो नृसिंहः परो हरिः नृसिंहोपासकं नित्यं तं नृसिंहगुरुं भजे श्री सच्चिदानन्द शिवाभिनव्य नृसिंह भारत्यभिधान्यतीन्द्रान् विद्यानिधीन् मन्त्रनिधीन् सदात्मनिष्ठान् भजे मानवशम्भुरूपान् सदात्मध्याननिरतं विषयेभ्यः पराङ्मुखम् नौमि शास्त्रेषु निष्णातं चन्द्रशेखर भारती विवेकिनं महाप्रज्ञं धैर्यौदार्यक्षमानिधिं सदाभिनवपूर्वन्तौ विद्यातीर्थगुरुं भजे भारती करुणापात्रं भारती पदभूषणम् भारती पदमारूढं भारती तीर्थमाश्रये भारती तीर्थवर्यन्तं भक्तहृत्तापनाशनं भवभीतिहरं देवं भावये सततं हृदि विद्या विनय संपन्नौ वीतरागौ विवेकिनम् वन्दे वेदान्त तत्त्वज्ञौ विधुशेखर भारती अनन्त गुण संपन्नाम् अनन्ताभिधयाश्रुताम् अनन्त ज्ञानदात्रीं तां मातरं प्रणुमो वयम् गैर्वाण्या संविबोधेन जीवनं मौल्यसंयुतं या करोत्तान्नमाम्यम्बां शारदामूर्तरूपिणी कलाभ्यां चूडालङ्कृत शशिकलाभ्यां निजतपः फलाभ्यां भक्तेषु प्रकटितफलाभ्यां भवतु मे शिवाभ्यामस्तोकत्रिभुवन शिवाभ्यां हृदि पुनर्भवाभ्यामानन्दस्फुरदनुभवाभ्यान्नतिर्यम् Okay, now let us have individual chanting. Like I said, today we don't have too much, we don't have an hour. So how many hours possible within the next few minutes we have, I will take. But we will have more revision sessions, not to worry. Maybe next week or week after that, we will see whenever. Padma Bhagini, as soon as I call out your name, please unmute. And once you finish chanting, please go back to mute and lower your hand so that I can call others. Vadatu Padma Bhagini.
Yeah, Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Arudha bhakti guna kunchita bhava chapayuktai shiva smarana bana ganairamogai nirjatya kilbisharipun vijayi sudhindraha sanandamavahati susthira rajalakshmi.
Bhagini, the third line I heard it as Nirjatya. Not sure whether you chanted Nirjitya or Nirjatya.
No, I must have said Nirjit. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Nirjitya kilbisharipun vijayi sudhendraha sanandamavahati susthira rajalakshmi. Thank you.
Uttamam Bhagini. Very well chanted. Astu idanim Mangalam Ramachandran Mahodayah.
Okay. Okay. Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram. Who am I hearing? Sorry, your name?
Mangalam. Mangalam.
Mangalameva. Vadatu, vadatu.
Dhyananjanena samabeshyatama pratesham vidva mahabalibihi Rishwaranama mantraihi divyasritam bhujagabhushana mudvahanti ye pada padmamihate shivate kritartaha.
Tamam. A few things. Mahabalibhihi Ishvara Nama Mantraihi, you split it correctly, but we don't split there according to the, the tune and the chandas. Mahabalibhirishvara Nama Mantraihi. We chant together.
Mahabalibhishvara Nama Mantraihi.
Balibhihi, we don't say Mahabalibhirishvara Nama Mantraihi.
Mahabalibhishvara Nama Mantraihi.
I would suggest you please listen to the recording, Bhagini, because we don't say Mahabalibhi Ishvara, we don't hear. When you combine Mahabalibhi Ishvara, it becomes Mahabalibhi Ishvara. Visarga Repa Sandhi. Then second, third line, Divya Shritam, that Sha was heard as Sa. So please pay attention to that. Divya Shritam, Bhujaga Bhushana Mudvahanti, the Mahapranas and Sha. Astu. Astu Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you so much. Next, Sheshambal Bhagini. Sheshambal Bhagini, Kripaya. Ram Ram.
Bhudarata mudavahadyapekshaya Shri Bhudaraye.
Punah ekavaram vadatu. Bhudarata mudavahadyapekshaya. One the you missed.
Bhudarata mudavahadyapekshaya Shri Bhudarayeva kimatas sumate labhasva Kedaramakalita mukti mahaushadhinam Padaravinda bhajanam parameshwarasya.
Uttamam Bhagini, very well chanted. Shubha Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram vadatu.
आशापाशक्लेशदुर्वासनादिभेदोद्युक्तैर्दिव्यगन्धैरमन्दैः आशाशाटीकस्य पदारविन्दच्चेतः पेटीवासितां मे तनोतु.
It is Padaravindam, not Padaravindam.
Okay. आशाशाटीकस्य पादारविन्दश्चेतः पादारविन्दं चेतः पेटीं वासितां मे तनोतु.
अस्तु, धन्यवादाः भगिनी, वेल् chanted. First line, Asha Pasha Klesha Durvasanadi. That do, I think, slightly hurt as Dirgha, otherwise it was okay. धन्यवादाः. अस्तु, इदानीं अनु कण्णन् भगिनी.
राम राम भगिनी.
राम 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 वदतु.
कल्याणिनं सरसचित्रगतिं सवेगं सर्वेङ्गितज्ञमनघं ध्रुवलक्षणाढ्यं चेतस्तुरङ्गमधिरुह्य चरस्मरारे नेतः समस्तजगतां वृषभाधिरूढ.
सर्वेङ्गितज्ञमनघं ध्रुवलक्षणाढ्यं. Could you chant the second line, third line again?
सर्वेङ्गितज्ञमनघं ध्रुवलक्षणाढ्यं चेतस्तुरङ्गमधिरुह्य चरस्मरारे नेतः समस्तजगतां वृषभाधिरूढ.
उत्तमं भगिनी, वेल् chanted. धन्यवादाः. राजलक्ष्मी कृष्णन् भगिनी.
नमस्ते भगिनी.
नमस्ते, वदतु.
भक्तिर्महेश पद पुष्करमावसन्ति कादम्बिनीव कुरुते परितोषवर्ष्म सम्पूरितो भवति यस्.
not varshma, paritoshavarsham.
क्षम्यताम्.
चिन्ता मास्तु, वदतु पुनः एकवारं.
कादम्बिनीव कुरुते वर्षं परितोषवर्षं सम्पूरितो भवति यस्य मनस्तटाकः तज्जन्म सस्यमखिलं सफलं च नान्यत्.
Last line again.
तज्जन्म सस्यमखिलं सफलं च नान्यत्.
अत्र we don't say safalam, it is saphalam. Pha. That pha should be heard at all. No pha bhagini. There is no F sound. Pha. Saphalam.
Saphalam cha nanyat.
That pha is not there in Sanskrit. That pha pronunciation is not there in Sanskritam. Only pha we have. Phalam. That phal is in Hindi. But in Sanskritam, saphalam. It's always phalam. No pha. Astu Bhagini.
I thought I said pha. I'm so sorry.
Oh, no problem.
I thought I said
no
pha,
problem.
but saphalam. It has to be okay.
Saphalam. Yeah. No, the reason I emphasize is because this is a very common thing, especially for native Hindi speakers. Because they read pha is only as pha in Hindi. So whenever we have an opportunity, we try to emphasize so that, I mean, it's a learning for everyone. That's why.
Absolutely. Dhanyawada Bhagini. Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada. Astu. Idanim Janaki Rajaram Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste Vadatu.
बुद्धिस्तेरा भवितुमीश्वर पाद पद्म सक्ता वधूर्विरहिणीव सदा स्मरन्ति सद्भावना स्मरण दर्शन कीर्तनादि सम्मोहितेव शिव मंत्र जपेन विन्ते.
धन्यवादः. इदानीं जयंती भगिनी.
नमस्कारं
नमस्ते वदतु.
सदुपचार विधिष्वनुबोधितां सविनयां सुहृदं समुपाश्रितां मम समुद्धर बुद्धिमिमां प्रभो वरगुणेन वधूमिव.
Uttamam, very well chanted. Just one observation, like I say, I tell this for everyone. Whenever we have Nabodha Vadhumiva, like a hrasva at the end, we must make sure we just pause when it is a hrasva. Sorry, we stop there and not prolong it. Nabodha Vadhumiva. In the raga, if we tend to prolong, then it's heard more like a dirgha. So that we should all keep in mind whenever a pada is ending with a hrasva or a short vowel. Jayanti Bhagini, did you just chant? Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. I will
Astu.
make the correction, ma'am. Yeah.
Astu, astu. Astu. Okay. Idanim Jayashri Venkat Bhagini.
राम भगिनी.
Ram vadatu.
नित्यं योगी मनः सरोजदल संचार रक्षत्मस्वत्.
संचार रक्ष नास्ति तत्र. संचार क्षमस्त्वत्क्रमः. संचार क्षमः त्वत्क्रमः. रक्ष नास्ति. There is no raksha word there. संचार क्षमः त्वत्क्रमः. संचार क्षमस्त्वत्क्रमः. Once again.
Okay. नित्यं योगी मनः सरोजदल संचार क्षमस्वत्क्रमः. शम्भो तेन कथं कठोर
Kathora. That is why if you listen, what I suggest is now, we've already, the audio recordings are up. Now we'll also upload the 71 to 80. Please listen, because this and the next verse, Shardula Vikriditam, big words, big chandas. And also, if you understand the meaning and splitting of words, you will be able to chant easily. So, this while explaining, we learned Kathora Yamarad Vakshah Kavata Kshatihi. Kathora Yamarad Vakshah Kavata Kshatihi. So then if you split like that, we don't pause while chanting, but you will be aware of the word and you will chant correctly. Punaha ekavaram bhagini. Shambho tena.
शम्भो तेन कथं कठोरयमराडवक्ष कवाटाक्षतिः. अत्यन्तं मृदुलं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं हा मे मनश्चिन्तयत्यल् लोचरं कुरु विभो हस्तेन संवाहये.
Bhagini, Dhanyavadaha. I would please practice, all of you. Getting it at the first time might take more effort. So, few observations. Kathora Yamarad Vakshah Kavata Kshatihi. That pronunciation should be better. Then, Manash Chintayat Tietalochana Gocharam. That also you should, that fluency you should improve, Bhagini, and each letter should be perfect. It is not Manas Chintayat Tietalochana. Manash Chintayat Tietalochana Gocharam Kuru Vibho. So please keep these in mind. Also, Nityai Yogi, that's another way of chanting. Like I said, when you combine the sandhi there, Nityai Yogi, you could make it. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. 7980, please all of you listen multiple times and practice. We will move to Pushpa BS Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. Namaste.
What we learned today, Namaste, 80th verse.
येष्यत्येष्य जनिं मनोस्य कठिनं तस्मिन्नटानीति मद्रक्षै गिरिसीम्नि कोमलपदन्यासः पुराभ्यासितः. Sorry.
No problem. Vadatu. No chet Pushpa Bhagini. Unable to hear you. Okay. She's not on mute. Next, Shyamala Ramachandran Bhagini, be ready.
Hello.
Now I can hear you, Bhagini. Suddenly we lost your, connectivity, I think. Madrakshayai.
Shall I tell again?
You can begin, yes.
Yeah. येष्यत्येष जनिं मनोस्य कठिनं तस्मिन्नटानीतिमद्रक्षायै गिरिसीम्नि कोमलपदन्यासः पुराभ्यासितः नो चेद्दिव्यगृहान्तरेषु सुमनस्तल्पेषु वेद्यादिषु प्रायः सत्सुशिला तले
So
प्रायः
Satsu. Two sirs should be heard.
प्रायः सत्सु शिलातलेषु नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव.
Uttamam Bhagini, we learned this today and you chanted it well. Sujata Muralidharan Bhagini Idanim. We will go back to 71. Namaste. 71. Vadatu Agudha.
आरूढभक्तिगुणकुञ्चितभावचापयुक्तैः शिवस्मरणबाणगणैरमोघैः निर्जित्य किल्बिषरिपून् विजयी सुधीन्द्रः सानन्दमावहति सुस्थिरराजलक्ष्मीम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, Bhagini.
This is not a mistake, but slight, just to fine tune our chanting. Whenever there is a visarga at the end, Sudhindraha, we just chant it crisp as in Sudhindraha. We stop there. We don't prolong it as Sudhindraha. If we do that, we are just prolonging more than the matra kala. So visargas also Bana Ganaira Moghaihi Sudhindraha. That is for fine tuning the chanting, I am saying. Dhanyavadaha. Next is Shyamala Ramachandran Bhagini, 72.
Namaste. ध्यानाञ्जनेन समवेक्ष्य तमः प्रदेशम् भित्त्वा महाबलिभिरीश्वर नाममन्त्रैः दिव्याश्रितं भुजगभूषणमुद्वहन्ति ये पादपद्ममिहते शिवते कृतार्थाः.
Uttamam Bhagini. Kritarthaha. Tha, second tha, Mahaprana. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Arundat Mahodaya. Kripaya. Namaste Mahodaya. Namaste. Please chant 73.
Bhudarathamudavahadyadapekshayaam Shri Bhudarayeva kimatas sumate labhasvam Kedaramakalitam mukti mahaushadhinam Padaravinda bhajanam parameshwarasya.
Mahodaya, well chanted. Next, Suguna Sharma Bhagini.
Ram madam.
Ram, vadatu.
आशापाशक्लेशदुर्वासनादिभेदोर्युक्तै दिव्यगन्धैरमन्तैः आशाशाटीकस्य पादारविन्दं चेतः पेटिं वासितां मे तनोतु.
Tamam Bhagini, atra bhedodyuktair divyagandhair. I think bhedodyuktair, that refa there, I think you missed. Bhedodyuktair divyagandhair. Please pay attention.
भेदोर्युक्तैर्दिव्यगन्धैरमन्दैः
अस्तु भगिनी, धन्यवादाः. नेक्स्ट मैथिली गौरी शंकर भगिनी.
राम राम मैडम.
राम 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 वदतु.
ओके. कल्याणिनं सरसचित्रगतिं सवेगं सर्वेङ्गितज्ञमनघं ध्रुवलक्षणाढ्यं चेतस्तुरङ्गमधिरुह्य स्मरारेः नेतः समस्तजगतां वृषभाधिरूढ.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः. मैथिली गौरी शंकर भगिनी, did you chant already? Maithili Gauri Shankar Bhagini, did you chant? Okay, I can't hear. Uma Devi BP Bhagini. Uma Devi BP Bhagini.
Yes, Ram Ram.
Vadatu Bhagini, Uma Devi Bhagini Vadatu.
भक्तिर्महेश पद पुष्करमावसन्ति कादम्बिनीव कुरुते परितोषवर्षं सम्पूरितो भवति यस्य मनस्तटाकः तज्जन्म सस्यमखिलं सफलं च नान्यत्.
तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः. Maithili Gauri Shankar Bhagini, I'm not sure if you already chanted. I called out your name. Astu. Saumini Ramakrishnan ji.
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Vadatu Saumini Bhagini.
Buddhistira bhavadumishvara
not bhavatu. Bhavitum.
Okay. Buddhistira bhavidumishvara padapatmasakta madhurvirahini vasada smaranti sadbhavana smarana darshana kirtinade sammohiteva shiva mantra japena vinte.
Uttamam Bhagini. Sadbhavana Smarana Darshana Kirtanadi Sammohiteva. There somewhere the E was missed. Please listen to the recording. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. I will go a bit fast because we have already surpassed that time. Sarita Bhagini Vadatu.
Sadupachara vidhishvanubodhitam Savinayam suhrudam samupashritam Mama samudhara buddhimimam prabho Varagunena navodhavadhumiva.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. That Suhridam, that should be a bit clearer. Next. Setu Lakshmi Bhagini.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste, Vadatu.
Nidye yogi manas sarojadala sancharak sorry ma. Nidye yogi manas sarojadala sancharak shamasvatramagam Shambho dena kadang khatoraya marat Bakshakavadakshadihi.
Kavada, not Kavada. Kavada.
Kavadakshadihi. Atyandam mrtulan padang kriyukalam Hame manas chintayat Yetallochana gocharam guru vibho Astena samvahaye.
Bhagini, one thing is everywhere Mahapranas should be clearer. And Manas Chintayat Yetallochana Gocharam. Manas, many of you are chanting Manas Chintayati. It is manascha. It is not sa. Sa is different. Sha. Manashchintayatyetallochana gocharam. And we don't split there. We chant it together. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Please practice this. Now, Shobha Lata Bhagini. Shobha Lata Mani Bhagini.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Vadato.
येष्यत्येष जनिं मनोस्य कठिनं तस्मिन्नटानीति मद्राक्षायै गिरिसिं.
Madrakshayai, not draksha. Madrakshayai.
Okay. Sorry, ma'am.
No problem, please.
Again, I have to chant, otherwise I can go to...
Chant from Madrakshayai Girisim.
Madrakshayai Girisim Nikomalapanyasa Purabhyasitaha Nochet Divyagrihantareshu Divyagrihantareshu Sumanastalpeshu Vedyadishu Prayasatsu Shilathaleshu Natanam Shambho Kimartham Tava.
Tava Bhagini, one, we should not be prolonging the last letters. Vedyadishu,
That, with the tune, it is coming, ma'am. I will.
Yeah, that we must be careful. Okay. And I think Ched Divya Grihantareshu. First time you chanted correctly. Second time that Samyuktakshara was not very clear. Ched Divya Grihantareshu. Two the
Ched Divya Grihantareshu Sumanas Talpeshu Vedyadishu.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Now we will see if we have, I think, one or two more. That's all. Sarita Bhagini, you can chant 78 again. 79, sorry. Sarita Bhagini. Rajalakshmi Bhagini.
Hari Om Bhagini.
Rajalakshmi Bhagini Vadato. Nityai.
Nityai yogi manas sarojadala sanchar Kshamastvat kramaha.
Tatra yogi manas sarojadala sanchara Kshamastvat kramaha.
Nityai yogi manas sarojadala sanchara Kshamastvat kramaha. Shambho tena katham katoraya maratvaksha kavatakshatihi atyantam mrudulam tvadangriyugalam hame manaschintayatye tallochana gocharam kuru vibho hastena samvahaye.
Tamam Bhagini. There Saroja Dala Sanchara. It is not Dala Sanchara. There is no extra sir there. Dala Sanchara. Tena Katham Kathora Yamarad Vakshah Kavata Kshatihi. That should be clearer. Astu Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Now I think we will conclude here. We will chant Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayaha. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhaved. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Ram 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 Sarvebhyah. Agami Shanivasare Punarmilamah. Please practice, especially the bigger verses 71 to 80, many different meters, many chandas. So please practice with the recording and learn the correct pronunciation, because like I keep repeating, if you learn the wrong one, sometimes without realizing, you'll just be chanting the wrong pronunciation. So please make use of the recordings on YouTube and keep listening to it regularly so that you are familiar with the correct pronunciation. Dhanyavadaha sarvebhyah. You all chanted well. Thank you to our panelists Aditi and Charu who joined us today. Agami Shanivasare Punarmilamaha. Ram Ram Ram.